everyone from KGA. Glad to see you again. Yesterday, we talked about Mid-Autumn Day or Moon Festival. Who can remember what is the most important food that we eat on the Moon Festival? Yes, it's mooncake. So today, we're gonna make a mooncake. I'll show you how to make a mooncake. Well, not with the real stuff, but with Playdough. To make mooncake, we need to first make the filling, and then the wrapping, and then we put it in a mold to make the shape. Let's start. To start with, let's decide what kind of filling do I want to make. Well, traditionally, red bean is one of the famous mooncake filling, so I'll choose red. And egg filling as well, so I'll choose orange. Let's start. First, we roll the filling into a ball. Second, we make the wrapping. We make a ball and then we press it. When we press it, we make sure the edge is thinner than the middle. Now we wrap it around the filling, close it, and make it into a ball. Then we choose a pattern we like, fix it in the mold, put the ball inside, press, and push. Now we have a mooncake with a cow on it. Then let's make a second one, press, push. It's a penguin, and we can make more. A yellow mooncake with a rabbit. And a green mooncake with a bear. Time to eat! I'll take a knife and cut it in half so that we can see our fillings inside. It's beautiful and delicious. Okay, now it's time to make your own mooncakes. Bon appétit!